Introducing the remarkable benefits of incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine. Castor oil, a natural elixir renowned for its myriad health and beauty properties, holds the potential to transform your bedtime regimen into a rejuvenating ritual. From promoting hair growth to soothing inflamed skin, the wonders of castor oil extend far beyond its humble origins. Join us on an exploration of the 10 powerful reasons why you should make castor oil your nighttime companion. Discover the secrets to healthier hair, radiant skin, and improved well-being, all by simply incorporating this versatile oil into your pre-sleep routine. Prepare to unlock the door to a world of natural beauty and wellness as we delve into the transformative powers of castor oil before bed. 1. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil is a potent natural remedy renowned for its ability to stimulate hair growth. This effect is primarily attributed to its rich composition of nutrients, particularly omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and ricinoleic acid. When massaged into the scalp before bed, castor oil penetrates deeply into the hair follicles, nourishing them and promoting better circulation. This increased blood flow to the scalp encourages hair growth by providing the necessary nutrients and oxygen to the hair roots. Additionally, ricinoleic acid, a unique component of castor oil, has been shown to inhibit the enzyme prostaglandin D2, which is associated with hair loss. By blocking this enzyme, castor oil helps to maintain a healthy environment for hair growth, leading to thicker, longer, and stronger strands over time. Regular use of castor oil can also help to prevent breakage and split ends, resulting in healthier and more resilient hair overall. 2. Moisturizes skin. The emollient properties of castor oil make it an excellent moisturizer for the skin, especially when used before bedtime. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, including ricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, and oleic acid, which help to lock in moisture and prevent water loss from the skin. When applied topically before bed, castor oil forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing dehydration and keeping it hydrated throughout the night. This deep hydration not only softens and smoothens the skin but also helps to improve its elasticity and suppleness. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can soothe dry, irritated skin, providing relief from conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Regular application of castor oil before bed can result in a healthier and more radiant complexion, with reduced signs of dryness, flakiness, and roughness. 3. Reduces inflammation. Castor oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can effectively reduce inflammation when applied topically to the skin before bed. This is primarily due to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. When massaged into the skin, castor oil penetrates deep into the underlying tissues, where it inhibits the production of inflammatory compounds and modulates the body's immune response. As a result, castor oil can provide relief from various inflammatory skin conditions, including acne, sunburns, rashes, and insect bites. It soothes redness, swelling, and irritation, promoting faster healing and restoring the skin's natural balance. Additionally, the moisturizing properties of castor oil help to keep the skin hydrated, further supporting its healing process and preventing further inflammation. 4. Treats eyelashes and eyebrows. Castor oil is a popular natural remedy for enhancing the growth and appearance of eyelashes and eyebrows. When applied before bed, its nourishing properties can help to strengthen and condition the hair follicles, leading to thicker, fuller lashes and brows over time. Castor oil contains essential nutrients such as vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid, which nourish the hair follicles and promote healthy growth. Additionally, its emollient properties help to moisturize and protect the delicate skin around the eyes, reducing the risk of breakage and promoting longer and stronger lashes. Regular use of castor oil on eyelashes and eyebrows can also help to prevent them from becoming dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. With consistent application, you can achieve visibly thicker, fuller, and more luscious lashes and brows, enhancing the overall appearance of your eyes. 5. Aids digestion and relieves constipation. Castor oil is commonly used as a natural remedy for digestive issues, including constipation, when taken orally before bedtime. It acts as a powerful laxative, stimulating bowel movements and promoting regularity in the digestive system. The key active ingredient in castor oil responsible for its laxative effect is ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that binds to receptors in the intestines, stimulating smooth muscle contractions and promoting the movement of waste through the colon. This helps to soften stools and alleviate constipation, providing relief from discomfort and bloating. Additionally, castor oil has been shown to have mild anti-inflammatory effects on the digestive tract, which can help to soothe and reduce inflammation in conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. However, it's essential to use castor oil for digestive purposes with caution and in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to undesirable side effects such as diarrhea and dehydration. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil for digestive purposes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Subscribe to the channel. Join our community if you like the content. 6. Fights acne and blemishes. Castor oil serves as a natural remedy for acne and blemishes owing to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin before bedtime, it acts as a potent cleanser, penetrating deep into pores to eradicate acne-causing bacteria and impurities. The oil's ricinoleic acid content helps to mitigate inflammation associated with acne, diminishing redness and swelling. Moreover, castor oil's ability to regulate sebum production assists in controlling oiliness, thus preventing clogged pores and breakouts. With consistent use, castor oil can effectively clear up acne, leaving the skin smoother, clearer, and more radiant. 7. Improves nail health. Massaging castor oil onto nails and cuticles before bedtime offers numerous benefits for nail health. The oil's rich nutrient profile, including vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, nourishes and strengthens the nails, making them less prone to breakage and brittleness. By moisturizing the cuticles, castor oil helps to prevent dryness and cracking, promoting overall nail health. Regular application of castor oil before bed encourages healthy nail growth and enhances the appearance of nails and cuticles, leaving them looking well-groomed and revitalized. 8. Relieves joint pain and muscle soreness. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable remedy for alleviating joint pain and muscle soreness when applied before bedtime. By massaging the oil into affected areas, it penetrates deep into the tissues, reducing inflammation and swelling. This helps to alleviate discomfort associated with conditions such as arthritis, rheumatism, and muscle strain. Additionally, castor oil's analgesic properties provide soothing relief, promoting relaxation and improved sleep quality. Regular use of castor oil before bed can help manage chronic pain and enhance overall mobility and well-being. 9. Softens rough and calloused feet. Treating feet with castor oil before bedtime is an effective way to soften rough, calloused skin and promote foot health. The oil's emollient properties deeply moisturize the skin, replenishing lost moisture and restoring suppleness. By penetrating thick, dry skin on the feet, castor oil helps to soften rough patches and alleviate calluses and corns. Regular application before bed ensures that the feet remain hydrated and nourished, preventing dryness and discomfort. With continued use, castor oil can help maintain smooth, healthy-looking feet, enhancing overall foot comfort and appearance. 10. Supports healthy lips. Applying castor oil to the lips before bedtime is a simple yet effective way to keep them moisturized and healthy. The oil's rich emollient properties create a protective barrier, sealing in moisture and preventing dryness and chapping. Vitamin E present in castor oil promotes softness and smoothness, helping to maintain the delicate skin of the lips. Regular use of castor oil before bed ensures that the lips remain hydrated and nourished, preventing discomfort and enhancing their natural appearance. Whether used alone or as part of a lip care routine, castor oil is a valuable ally in promoting healthy, kissable lips. Subscribe to the channel and join our community if you like the content. Put the like of the video because this will help spread it and benefit more people.